Annie.
And I'm Kathy.
And we take freeze-dried to fresh.
Today we're making a onion soup.
Yeah.
French onion soup.
French onion soup with cheese on the top. So first of all, we're gonna brown the onions. These are onion slices. We'll just put some butter at the base of the pot and some onions.
We're making a single serve today.
Ooh, is that a lot of onions?
Oh,
and
that's
actually,
great.
because they do need. All right, and I'm gonna go brown them on the stove. Okay, I've mixed the broth with water and I'm gonna be putting it with the onions that I've caramelized.
We're going to just take now the onion soup mix and pour it into our cup.
Ooh, that's perfect amount.
Okay, and then we're going to take our toast and put it on top. It'll start to absorb and we will melt the cheese on that as well.
We're gonna broil it.
Okay, we just pulled it out of the oven after it's browned a little. Smells
yum, yum.
delicious. Remember to give us a thumbs up.
And if you haven't subscribed, do that. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know when we post a brand new video. And the recipe will be down below. And don't forget to comment.
And remember,
You can do this too.